Normal ba talagang fallback ng mga atleta ang politika at pag-aartista? Bakit sa palagay niyo po?
Well, unang-una yung yung popularity nila, no? Somehow, kung meron kang name recall, tapos nakikita mo na meron kang way to be able to go to politics because marami kasing umuudyok sa kanila saying that, popular ka, no? Why don't you do something for our country? Maybe you can, since you've always been with the fans, baka pinakikinggan ka at saka naririnig mo din yung damdamin ng mga tao. So, I feel that if you are really sincere in what you want to do and if you feel that there is something you can be of help, why not? No? That, nobody should be excluded from aspiring to serve the country. Okay, no? Fallback, yes, pwede rin mag-showbiz, kagaya ni Senator because of their popularity. Some athletes also go to their sports. Like si Mayor Richard Gordon, nakikita natin sa ating larawan ngayon.
Gomez.
Not turned his back on sports. Up to now, he is a top official of our fencing organization. And in fact, he has opened Ormoc City as a training ground for our national fencers. So, sports will always be a part of the lives of every athlete, even after retirement.
All right. Sa pagsasabi mong yan, so are you saying na talagang in full support ka or sinusuportahan mo ba ang mga atletang pumapasok sa politika or sa showbiz?
Well, John, depende yan kung talagang kaya nila, no? Meron namang ibang mga atleta na porket meron silang name recall, sasabak talaga sa politika pero wala namang kakayahan. That they don't have, sad to say, the brains to be able to lead in any capacity, whether councilor, vice mayor, or mayor. I just feel that they have to be competent. Dapat naman meron silang pinag-aralan, na preparado sila to serve the country. Hindi porket popular sila, they can immediately step into a position where of authority in government. It doesn't work that way because in the end, it will backfire.
Una sa balita, una sa impormasyon, hindi pa uhuli sa entertainment at musika. Dahil lahat, andito na, araw-araw. Kasama ang buong puwersa na nangungunang tabloid sa bansa, Abante, L na L.